Hi everyone, I'm Marvix, and I really want to introduce you this English vocabs template. For me, I use it for 3 months. I used to help me learning English vocabularies. Although we have learned those of English vocabs from different vocabulary books such as TOEFL, SAT, or GRE, right? For us to learn more English and prepare for the exams. But when we enter into our specialized area, some definitions needs more attention. Some vocabularies needs more concise understanding. So those books cannot help us to learn. That's why I created this template for me to learn English vocabularies. And I will tell you why. But before we look deeply into the templates or into the demo, I will tell you a little bit more about this template. So this template contains more than 14 properties, includes bilingual translation and definitions. I use it to learn English with my primary language, Chinese language, but you can use your primary language to learn second language. You know what I mean. And it includes like similar word comparison to help us to differentiate different words, and also includes mastery level tracking. So this is English vocabulary coach instruction. So and they will tell you more, right? And you can change this template to your personal template, but I really encourage you to use the one I created for you. And so how we use it, right? And this is Notion AI. Click personalization and change the instruction to this English vocabulary coach instruction, and then you're done. So we can just put a single word. For example, this I don't know what it is, right? And then send it to Notion AI, and it will generate and fill out this template for you, right? And this is the database for you to record the vocabularies you learned. So, and here I learn like this: nincompoop, copious, brood, dismay, vindictive. And also, for example, I learned different words about anguish. Where is it? Like right here, like anguish or agony. That I have these two different words. So, and in here, right, you can see that pain intensity spectrum, and it will tell you this least intense to most intense. So it lists discomfort, pain, distress, suffering, anguish, torment, and then agony. And if we, click anguish, and it will give you a chart or table that tell you, intensity, like very high, moderate, high, highest, so that when we write a report or something, or in the blogging or research paper writing, so we can easily use these different words for to polish our writing. And so this is the detail of the page. But when we click the first thing, we look at these words, it looks like this, right? In the card or dictionary card version, right? So part of the speech, and then some words, associated vocabs, and it provides you a personalized, contextualized example sentence for you, to help you know how to use it. How does it look like in the sentence, and also member tip and root family. And this is help you to similar vocabularies, and then similar vocab comparison to help you differentiate different vocabularies. Okay, so boom, right? It just like really easily. So it will tell you the definitions from from Collins or Webster dictionary. It can, so this word meaning can be noun or can be adjective, and then it tells you this word anatomy and the memory hook to help you memorize it. And then the usage note, I believe this part is so useful for me to use it. And then it includes practice, so you can practice this with the AI, so that you can know more about this word, how to use it. So the purpose of this vocabulary is not just to mimic or copy the dictionary, well, which is so so stupid to just copy dictionary. But this template or this AI instruction or this database is to help you how to learn or how to use and how to learn a while about this word, instead of just um, copy it, write it down, but you don't know how to use it, right? So to me personally, I think it's so helpful. So if you like this template, please rate it, and please give me some feedbacks, and I would love to hear them. Thank you so much, and I will provide more templates later on.